We are drawing attention to a significant opportunity tailored to your company's services and location. The London Borough of Wandsworth is inviting submissions for a multi-lot fire alarm and emergency lighting maintenance contract valued at £8,995,290. Lot 1 covers fire alarms and smoke ventilation, while Lot 2 covers emergency lighting repairs. The procurement identifier is OCTS H6VHTK 059A81. The award criteria are weighted at 70% price, 20% quality, and 10% social value. The contract duration is 5 years, with the option to extend for a further 2 years. The deadline for submissions is the 13th of October 2025. This is one of many lucrative public sector opportunities available to businesses like yours. Access the full contract details today and position your company to secure this work.